Nanook's northern light. In a land of ice and snow lived a young boy named Nanook. The sun played hide-and-seek for many months, leaving the world in a soft blue light. Nanook loved his home. He loved the crisp, cold air and the crunch of snow under his boots, but he missed the bright colors of the world. One day, Nanook's grandmother, Anana, told him a story. "The colors are not gone, little one," she said. "They are just sleeping." Anana gave Nanook a special carving tool. "Go and find the sleeping colors," she whispered. "Wake them up with your art." Nanook took his tool and a smooth gray soapstone. He went outside and looked at the white world. What colors could he find? He saw a polar bear, white as the snow. He carved its strong shape into the stone. He imagined a bright, sunny yellow for its fur. He saw a seal, sleek and dark in the water. He carved its playful flip. He thought of a deep ocean blue for its home. He saw a whale, big and gentle. He carved its giant tail. He dreamed of a fiery sunset orange for the sky above it. As Nanook carved, something magical happened. The sky began to glow. Green, pink, and purple lights danced above him. The sleeping colors were awake. They danced in the sky, a beautiful gift for the boy who brought art to the snow. Nanook smiled, his heart full of color.